So as you know, I like trying different inks. So let's go do that. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see, please leave it in the comment section down below. And just give this video a big thumbs up because it will certainly help out the channel. Now let's get into our video. Okay, so ineffable ink. That's correct, ineffable ink. So in this box, we have some yellow, some magenta, some cyan and black, as well as some syringes, needles, bag, and gloves. So this ink was actually sent to me to try out, so that's what we're gonna do. I've been needing to make a another mouse pad for my new job. So I am going to go ahead and use my graduation picture on my mouse pad. So I have already filmed videos of me changing out ink. I've already filmed videos of me printing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready, including our heat press here, and we are going to get started on this test. So I'm going to go change out the inks, print a picture, and then we will be back to press it and see how it works. So we'll be back in a few. So we got our heat press at 400 and we're going to be pressing for 40 seconds. We're going to move that out of the way. We have our mouse pad here that we're going to be pressing on, as well as our image with the ineffable ink. So first we're going to set this down. We are going to put the mouse pad on it upside down, and we're going to kind of gauge where we want it to go. Right there. A little bit higher, even it out a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna grab our heat tape and tape down our image. Make sure we get it taped down on both sides. That way it don't move. All right, so to do this image, I did print an extra page just for the back side so that it didn't get transferred on anywhere, and then also one for top. Then we will grab our other transfer sheet, just like that. Put that like that. We're gonna swing this around and ensure that everything is where it needs to be. All right, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna play that for the 40 seconds. All right, there's the 40 seconds. Move that out of the way. There we go. All right, here's how the mouse pad turned out. So we're gonna set this to the side and let it cool. And we will be back in a minute to give you my thoughts and opinions on this product. So what do I think about the ineffable ink? The colors are very vibrant and true to color. They are pretty crisp lines, and you can definitely tell the difference between the lines. I don't have a whole lot of blurring. Of course, sometimes that can depend on how you press, but I don't have any blurring on this. So as y'all know, I recently graduated, so this is going to be a good addition to my office and, you know, my children. So, but yeah, I'll be purchasing this ink. I actually really like this ink, and I think it does, that it is definitely comparable, if not better than some of the other inks that I have used on this channel. So yeah, If you want to purchase this ink, like I said, it is linked in my Amazon store. So you are more than welcome to go and purchase that ink. I absolutely like it. I love the color vibrancy. The oranges really pop. The blacks are nice and crisp. The purples really pop in. So there you have it. Now, if y'all have anything that y'all want to see me do on the channel, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I do try to get to all the videos, and I'm mostly try to answer everybody. For some reason, I don't get notifications on all of them, but you know how that is. But yeah, so I'll definitely answer your comments and stuff like that. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see other videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below, and we will definitely see y'all next time. Y'all have a great day.